Wealth is earned, not given. What steps must be taken to ensure a secure financial future? Stop counting on lottery tickets and inherited money. It would be best if you began by reading books that will show you how to make money and establish financial security. But which book should you start with? We can help. This video is about the 5 best books to become a millionaire. Number 5. How to Win Friends and Influence People. How to Win Friends and Influence People is a traditional self-help book that offers practical advice on achieving success and becoming a millionaire. The book, written by Dale Carnegie and based on his experiences teaching adult education courses, contains valuable lessons on how to build strong relationships, communicate effectively, and persuade others. One key point in the book is focusing on the other person. Carnegie advises putting others' needs and interests first to build strong relationships to help you achieve your goals. He also recommends using people's names often and making others feel important and valued by paying attention to their opinions and showing appreciation for their contributions. Active listening, or understanding and responding to what others say, is also crucial for building strong relationships. In addition to building solid relationships, the book offers advice on selling and persuading others. Carnegie advises expressing sincere appreciation for others' efforts and accomplishments, as it helps to build trust and strengthen relationships. He also recommends focusing on the benefits others will receive from a product or service, rather than just listing its features to create a desire for your offer. Effective communication is also essential for achieving success and becoming a millionaire. Carnegie advises starting any conversation or presentation with praise and appreciation, which helps build rapport and a positive tone. He also advises admitting mistakes before criticizing others, which helps build trust and credibility. It is also important to use open-ended questions to encourage others to share their thoughts and ideas rather than issuing orders or directives. Finally, Carnegie advises allowing others to speak and share their thoughts and ideas, as it helps to build trust and establish a sense of partnership. Overall, How to Win Friends and Influence People is full of valuable lessons on how to build strong relationships, communicate effectively, and persuade others. Following these principles and practicing good communication and relationship building skills can increase your chances of achieving your goals and becoming a millionaire. Number 4. Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind. Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind is a book by Yuval Noah Harari that speaks of humanity from the time Homo sapiens first appeared in Africa to the present day. The book is split into 4 parts: the cognitive revolution, the agricultural revolution, the unification of humankind, and the scientific revolution. In the first part of the book, the cognitive revolution, Harari discusses how Homo sapiens were able to adapt to new environments and challenges through language and storytelling. He also explores the emergence of complex societies and the role of religion in shaping human beliefs and behaviors. The second part of the book, the agricultural revolution, discusses how the development of agriculture allowed humans to settle in one place and form civilizations. It also explores the impact of agriculture on human societies, including the rise of inequality and the growth of cities. The third part of the book, the unification of humankind, discusses how humans have been able to cooperate to achieve shared goals. This cooperation has allowed us to build complex societies and create advanced technologies. It also discusses the impact of imperialism and globalization on the world. The fourth and final part of the book, the scientific revolution, discusses how humans have used science and technology to shape the world. It also explores the potential consequences of these technological advances, including the environmental impact and the possibility of creating artificial intelligence. Overall, Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind is a comprehensive and thought-provoking book that offers insights into how humans have achieved success and progressed as a species. It touches on many topics and provides a unique perspective on human history. Number 3. Thinking Fast and Slow. Thinking Fast and Slow is a book by Nobel laureate Daniel Kahneman that explores the concept of dual process theory, which posits that there are 2 systems of thought in the human mind: System 1 and System 2. System 1 is fast, automatic, emotional, and responsible for our snap judgments and gut instincts. It is the system we rely on when we need to make decisions quickly, such as when we need to react to a sudden danger. System 2, however, is slower, more deliberative, and more logical. It is responsible for our more careful and reasoned thought processes. The book delves into how these two systems interact and how they can lead to biases and errors in judgment. For example, Kahneman discusses how our brains are wired to rely on mental shortcuts or heuristics when making judgments, which can result in cognitive biases. He also explores the idea that we tend to give more weight to vivid or memorable events rather than considering statistical probabilities more objectively. Additionally, the book examines framing and context's role in decision-making and how our emotions can influence our judgment. Overall, Thinking Fast and Slow is a thought-provoking and eye-opening read that offers valuable insights into how our minds work and how we can strive to make more rational and reasoned decisions. Number 2. Influence: The Psychology of Persuasion. Influence: The Psychology of Persuasion is a book by Robert Cialdini that delves into how people can be influenced and persuaded. Cialdini identifies 6 fundamental principles of persuasion that are at play in the process of influence: reciprocity, scarcity, authority, consistency, liking, and consensus. The principle of reciprocity states that people feel obligated to return favors or gifts and are, therefore, more likely to comply with requests if they think they have received something. The principle of scarcity suggests that people value things more highly when they are scarce or in limited supply. Therefore, they are more likely to comply with requests related to insufficient resources. The principle of authority states that people are more likely to comply with requests from someone they perceive as an authority figure, whether that be due to their actual expertise or simply their perceived status. The principle of consistency dictates that people are more likely to comply with requests if it is consistent with their past actions, as it helps them to maintain a sense of internal consistency. The principle of liking suggests that people are more likely to comply with requests from people they like or are similar to them, as we naturally want to be appreciated in return. Finally, the principle of consensus states that people are more likely to comply with requests if they believe that others are doing the same, as it helps us to feel like we are part of a group or community. Influence: The Psychology of Persuasion is a thought-provoking and eye-opening read that offers valuable insights into how people can be impacted and the psychological principles at play. Number 1. Originals: How Nonconformists Move the World. Originals: How Nonconformists Move the World is a book by Adam Grant that explores the concept of originality and how nonconformists or innovators can drive change and positively impact the world. Grant defines originals as individuals willing to challenge the status quo and take the initiative to turn their ideas into reality. He argues that these nonconformists are responsible for driving progress and creating meaningful change, and that society needs more of them. The book discusses the various factors that contribute to originality, such as taking risks, being open to new ideas, and being willing to challenge the status quo. It also offers strategies for how individuals can foster a culture of originality within their organizations, such as encouraging open and honest communication, supporting employees who take on creative projects, and promoting a growth mindset. One key point of the book is that while it is essential to be open to new ideas, it is also crucial to be selective and discerning to avoid getting overwhelmed or sidetracked. Another critical point is that the seemingly small or incremental changes can often lead to the most significant impact. The book also delves into the role of diversity in fostering originality, as diverse perspectives can lead to more creative and innovative ideas. Additionally, it discusses the importance of persistence in turning ideas into reality, as many original ideas face challenges and setbacks. Overall, Originals: How Nonconformists Move the World is a thought-provoking and inspiring read that offers valuable insights into the role of originality in driving progress and making a positive impact on the world. It encourages readers to think outside the box, embrace creativity, and provide practical strategies. Which one will be your future side hustle for passive income? Please share your thoughts with us in the comment section below. Hope you liked the video. Remember to subscribe to our channel and smash the bell icon, never to miss any of our upcoming videos.